I made a data science tutorial on the event study, which is one of the most powerful tools in the causal inference data science arsenal. Some examples of real world data science problems where this is used are especially in staggered rollouts. So imagine you are a company like Uber and you are now Waymo that is rolling out into different markets, or Tesla recently is going into Austin, and then they're going to be going into new markets as well. We want to know what the effect is of these rollouts, even though they happened at different staggered times. I also used to use this a lot when I was at the SEC. We would measure the effects of, say, insider trading, or if there was some sort of fraud committed. Now, when it comes to staggered rollouts, of course, most of the time you're using internal data. So if you're trying to break into data science, how are you going to get better at these models if you don't have internal data? Well, here's the trick. You need to do two things. First, you want to learn to use the techniques using publicly available data. So these are really common with stock market data. So in this example, I was looking at the effect of the Israel-Iran attacks that were most recent, but it could also be, what is the impact on stock prices when there's a dividend increase or when you beat earnings estimates. And companies beat earnings estimates on different days. So when you stack these together, that's just like a staggered rollout. Okay, now here's the second thing. Notice how I said that's just like a staggered rollout. You cannot expect a recruiter to connect the dots. That is your job. You need to demonstrate that the underlying methods that you're using here are perfectly in line with the methods they would use to solve their own business problems. And this is how you can build a data science portfolio without internal data.